In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Firstly, launch your keyboard and check out the microphone icon located at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Choose while using the app. Agree. And start typing. Then tap on the same one to stop. When it's blue, it's active. As you can see, voice typing is on, but if you want to try something that works a bit better, look for this gear at the top of your keyboard, scroll, and select voice input. Then hit Google voice typing, Samsung as a default one, and go back to check it out. Microphone is located at the same place, so click on it and start talking. Voice typing is on again. If you want to stop, you can pause or you can click on the same microphone. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To access some available options, click on this gear on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!